Error connection timed out. Here's exactly how to fix it.
This error means your browser waited up to 60 seconds for a server response but never got one. The DNS found the server, but the server never replied.
Fix 1. Check your internet connection. Toggle Wi-Fi off and on, try airplane mode for 10 seconds, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data.
Fix 2. Clear your browser cache. Press Ctrl-Shift-Delete, select cached images and cookies, then click Clear Data and restart your browser.
Fix 3. Flush your DNS cache. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns. This clears stale DNS entries instantly.
Fix 4. Change your DNS server. Go to your network adapter settings, open IPv4 properties, and set your DNS to 8.8.8.8 for Google, or 1.1.1.1 for Cloudflare.
Fix 5. Disable your proxy. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, then Proxy. Turn off Use a proxy server to stop routing through unreachable servers.
Fix 6. Check your firewall. Open Windows Security, go to Firewall Settings, and temporarily disable it to test. Remember to turn it back on after.
Fix 7. Reset your TCP IP stack. Open Command Prompt as admin and run netsh int IP reset, then netsh winsock reset. Restart your computer to complete the fix.
Fix 8. Restart your router. Unplug the power cable. Wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait 2 minutes for full initialization.
Fix 9. Check if the website is actually down. Visit downdetector.com to see if it's a widespread outage. If so, just wait for the server to recover.
The most common causes are bad internet, firewall blocks, DNS issues, proxy problems, server outages, or corrupted browser cache.
If this helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.